Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Tykhonov, and I'm a senior at Marquette University. I'm a domestic financial analyst at Applied Investment Management program. Today I'm going to be presenting Artisan Partners, and their ticker is APAM. Artisan Partner Asset Management is an independent investment management company providing various investment strategies to clients. At the end of Q3 2021, Artisan total assets under management was $173.6 billion. The company is headquartered in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and was founded in 1994. Artisan divides its revenue by funds and accounts, including Artisan Funds and Artisan Global Funds, separate accounts, and performance fees. On the right, you can see some stock information as well as the 12-month price chart. It is recommended that the AIM Small Cap Fund purchases shares in Artisan Partners Asset Management, Inc. at $49.90, with a price target of $59.81, presenting a 19.87 potential upside. Artisan Partners differentiate itself from other asset managers by continuously focusing on acquiring high-performing talent, growing into new markets and strategies, and offering high value-added investment strategies. In addition, the introduction of private market strategies such as China Post-Venture offering allows Artisan Partners to invest in disruptive, innovative, fast compounding private companies that launched within the last year, providing alternative returns. The company can diversify its portfolio and capitalize on the increasing global private equity market, which is expected to grow at a CAGR of 11% for 2025. The firm continues to grow assets under management through organic growth rates and client cash inflows. From 2016 to 2020, assets under management grew at 13% CAGR from $96.8 billion to $157.8 billion. Income followed the positive trend and grew at a 31% CAGR from $73 million to $212.6 million. The asset management industry is expected to grow at a 6.2% CAGR over the next 5 years, providing APAM an opportunity to expand its assets under management and revenues. Artisan's strong performance is driving continuous growth in dividends, and they have increased the quarterly dividend of $1 per share in Q2 2021 to $1.07 per share in Q3 2021, yielding a dividend of 7.9%. The first driver is organic growth. Artisan Partners' assets under management have shown a continuous trend of positive inflows and organic alpha generation. At the end of Q3 2021, the company total assets under management was $173.6 billion, up from $134.3 billion year over year, representing an increase of 29%. 2021, $13.5 billion of assets under management was contributed to solid investment returns and $2.5 billion net client cash flows. Third-generation strategies such as Artisan High Income, Developing World, and Toro Peak Credit Opportunities, Select Equity, and International Small Cap Value achieved strong growth on a year-to-date basis with assets under management up 23%. The addition of China Post-Venture in early 2021 and emerging market strategy in the first half of 2022, the assets under management in third-generation strategies is expected to increase by around 12% due to client cash inflows and market returns. Assets under management expected to increase due to the firm's diverse product offering and investment strategies. Revenue will follow a similar trend, rising 10.88% in 2022. The second driver is differentiated credit. Artisan Partners is introducing a new emerging market strategy team, which will focus on emerging market credit and macro opportunities. Michael Cerami, Michael O'Brien, and Sarah Orvin have joined the company to build the team, which is expected to launch during the first half of 2022. At the start of 2020, the total outstanding emerging market debt was around $15 trillion and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 5% until 2025. The strategy will provide an opportunity to generate alpha, grow assets under management, and differentiate from peers. The third driver is private markets. In March 2021, Artisan launched the China Post-Venture strategy, which would focus on investing in China's disruptive, fast compounding public and private companies early in the growth life cycle. With this strategy, Artisan can capitalize on the estimated market of 20 million privately held firms in China. With investors gradually switching towards alternative investments such as private equity, the market is expected to reach $9.11 trillion by 2025, representing a CAGR of 15.6%. With continuing strategies adopting alternative investments such as private equity, Artisan can capitalize on the growing industry over the short to long term to increase assets under management, which has already seen a $1.1 billion net inflows in Q3 2021. To reach an intrinsic value for Artisan, a 5-year access equity model was created, using a terminal growth rate of 1.75% and a cost of equity of 8.77%. An intrinsic value of $57.88 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of the terminal growth rate and cost of equity of plus or minus 50 basis points ranged from $46.27 to $78.51. Additionally, a last 12-month PE multiple valuation was calculated using a last 12-month EPS of $4.89 and utilizing blended average PE multiple of 18, resulting in a relative value of $88.02. Next, a last 12-month PB multiple valuation was calculated using a last 12-month book value per share of $4.16 and utilizing a blended average PB multiple of 3.84, resulting in a relative value of $15.97. Finally, a dividend discount model was calculated using a cost of equity of 8.77%, which resulted in an intrinsic value of $88.99. While weighting these models 70, 10, 10, 10, a price target of $59.81 was reached, representing a 19.87% upside. Artisan pays a dividend currently yielding 7.9%. Now the risks. More than 93% of assets under management is concentrated within equity markets, exposing Artisan to market fluctuations and black swan events such as COVID-19, which could negatively impact revenues through volatility and assets under management. Fee structure changes. Competitive pressures, poor investment performance, or other factors could force Artisan to lower its fee rates, adversely affecting its primary source of revenue. An unpredictable regulatory environment subject to continual change may adversely affect Artisan's operations. Eric Colson has been CEO and director of Artisan since March of 2011 and has served as chairman of the board of directors since August of 2015. Prior to his appointment, Colson served as COO of Artisan Investment Operations from 2007 through 2010 and joined the firm as a managing director in 2005. Charles Daly has been CFO and treasurer of Artisan since March of 2011. Prior to joining Artisan in 2010 as a managing director, Daly was principal CFO and treasurer of Legg Mason, Inc. Because of Artisan's unique investment strategies, organic assets under management growth, impressive dividend yield, and continuous expansion into new markets of the additions of new strategies, it is recommended that Artisan be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, you can reach me by the email listed to the right, and I'll be happy to answer questions through D2L as well as live Q&A. Thank you.